Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Let's make shrimp fritters.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister Jay, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister Jay, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
Here are the ingredients for my shrimp fritters: flour, shrimp, red pepper flakes, onion, bell pepper, adobo seasoning. The shrimp's already cooked, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the tail, and I'm gonna cut them in small pieces. And here I have them cut up in small pieces. I have the onion and the bell pepper ready, and it's time to just go ahead and do the thing. I'm seasoning up the flour with the adobo seasoning, some black pepper, the red pepper flakes. And over here I have the shrimp, and I'm putting some lemon pepper seasoning and that along with some all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just gonna add everything to the seasoned flour. And I'm just gonna mix and combine all the ingredients and then add some water. So here I'm adding the onion and the bell pepper. Now I'm adding the water. I'm gonna just mix this until I get everything incorporated and get it to the consistency that I would like it to be. Now I'm adding some chili powder to that. And this is what it looks like. Yes, this is the texture I'm looking for. Now I'm adding the oil to the pot. As soon as this gets heated up, I'm gonna add the fritters. So here I'm adding the fritters to the pot. And I'm gonna do this until it's golden brown on one side. Then I flip them. Now I'm turning them on the other side. And guys, this smells so good. Yes. This set is ready, so I'm gonna lay them on napkin or paper towel and have the oil drain. And then we'll have some fritters. I'm gonna fry the second batch. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead, man, do the do. Just do the right thing, man. Subscribe. Okay, right here in Sister J's kitchen, I cook food, I talk about food, and yes, I eat food. And my fritters is ready. Look at them. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, work good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more. From Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. Blessings to all.